Hey there YouTube, it's Marvin here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am replacing the roller brush of my Hoover wireless vacuum. It doesn't spin anymore. So here is the brand new roller brush. I bought it from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description below if you guys need it. You can see that I have my power drill, but I didn't use it because to remove the brush roll cover, all you have to do is release the tabs. I had this Hoover vacuum for over 5 years now, and it's very versatile. You can use it as a handheld and also comes with 2 batteries, and surprisingly after 5 years both batteries are still very strong and it still lasts as new. Also, buying a new vacuum like this is not very cheap either. Alright, to remove the old brush roll, all you have to do is to release the 2 locking tabs of the cover. And let me grab a pair of gloves because I see lots of hair build up dust as expected. Right, so after removing the cover, you can just pull it out, and there you can see that the belt is not broken. And also I already checked the motor. I can hear that it is working properly. It looks like no problem with the brush roll at all. But let me show you what exactly is going on and why it is stopped spinning. You can see as well that lots of hair gets stuck where the bearing is, and that restricts the roller from spinning properly. I think that's before it get it stopped completely. Right, so this side here is okay. Where's the gear goes? I believe so. Well, that's a lot. There's lots of hair there too. Let's see. So this side here is not, there's no problem. It's the bearing. It looks like a bearing right there, and the plastic here is still good. I just put that back. I'm not gonna clean it more because here, see that like the plastic part are torn there. Just grab the other side. Other side is alright, right? It's just the part here, I think, that is and that's why it's kind of, I'll compare it to the other one. But okay, let's put that. Let's see the other side. This part here, it's already worn out right there. See, even the angle there, totally different. So good, but this part is alright. So I'm gonna put it back. Right, so why it doesn't work. Okay, let's install the new one. Both ends of the roller brush assembly have a square shaped guide which is going to hold it in place. So you have to make sure that it is aligned properly. Let's put the cover back on. Make sure to hear the click when locking the 2 tabs, and let me do some cleanup, and we'll try that on. Alright, so that's how you replace the brush roll. It's very simple and easy, and also from now on I will try to do the regular cleaning of the roller brush to make sure that it will spin freely all the time. Otherwise, if lots of hair gets stuck in there again, like in the bearing part, it will damage the roller brush again. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.